The Vivo V50, launched today, is a premium mid-range smartphone that seamlessly blends sophisticated design with high-end performance. Here's an in-depth exploration of its features. 1. Design and build. Rating is 9 out of 10. Ultra slim profile, measuring a mere 7.39 mm in thickness, the Vivo V50 is one of the slimmest smartphones in its category. Quad curved display. The device features a quad curved design, where all four display edges gracefully curve to meet the frame. This design offers an immersive viewing experience and contributes to the phone's ergonomic feel. 3D Star Technology back panel. The rear of the Vivo V50 is adorned with Vivo's innovative 3D Star technology. This technique creates a dynamic visual effect, causing the back panel to shimmer and shift colors when viewed from different angles, adding a touch of elegance and uniqueness to the device's appearance. Diamond Shield glass protection. To safeguard against scratches and minor impacts, the front display is fortified with Diamond Shield glass. This specialized glass enhances durability and maintains clarity and touch sensitivity, ensuring a premium user experience. Comprehensive cushioning structure. Vivo has implemented a shock-resistant internal structure, which aids in absorbing the impact from accidental drops. This cushioning helps protect the phone's internal components, including the display and sensitive camera lenses, from potential damage caused by impacts. 2. Frame material. Rating is 8.5 out of 10. Recycled aluminum frame. The frame of the Vivo V50 is constructed from recycled aluminum. This choice of material offers several advantages. Lightweight strength. Aluminum provides a sturdy framework while keeping the device's weight manageable, contributing to the overall slim and lightweight design. Sustainability. Utilizing recycled aluminum underscores Vivo's commitment to environmental responsibility, reducing the ecological footprint associated with raw material extraction. Premium finish. The aluminum frame lends the device a sleek, metallic finish, enhancing its premium aesthetic appeal. 3. Durability and protection. Rating is 9 out of 10. IP68 and IP69 ratings. The Vivo V50 is engineered to withstand various environmental challenges. Water resistance. With an IP68 rating, the device can endure submersion in up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes, protecting it against accidental spills and splashes. Dust resistance. The IP69 rating ensures complete protection against dust ingress, preventing particulate matter from compromising internal components. Enhanced durability. These certifications attest to the device's resilience, making it reliable for use in various conditions, whether it's rain, exposure to dust, or handling with wet or greasy hands. Reinforced corners. The corners of the Vivo V50 are specifically reinforced to absorb shock during accidental drops, reducing the likelihood of screen cracks or frame bending. 4. Display specifications. Rating is 9 out of 10. Size and type. The device features a 6.77-inch AMOLED display, which delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, enhancing media consumption and general usage. Resolution. With a Full HD Plus resolution of 2392 x 1080 pixels, the display ensures sharp and detailed visuals, providing an immersive viewing experience for videos, games, and reading. Refresh rate. A 120Hz refresh rate offers smooth scrolling and fluid animations, significantly improving the overall user experience, especially in gaming and dynamic content viewing. Color support. The display supports 1 billion colors, resulting in rich and accurate color reproduction, which is particularly beneficial for media professionals and enthusiasts who demand color precision. HDR10+ support. The AMOLED panel supports HDR10+, ensuring an enhanced dynamic range for videos and games. With HDR10+, users can experience deeper contrasts in compatible content. 5. Brightness and visibility. Rating is 9 out of 10. Peak brightness. The Vivo V50's display achieves an impressive peak brightness of up to 4500 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. This high brightness level enhances readability and viewing comfort in various lighting conditions. Adaptive brightness. Equipped with advanced sensors, the device offers adaptive brightness functionality, automatically adjusting screen brightness based on ambient lighting. This feature not only enhances user comfort but also contributes to battery efficiency. User experience enhancements. In-display fingerprint sensor. The AMOLED technology allows for an optical in-display fingerprint sensor, providing users with a secure and convenient unlocking method without compromising design aesthetics. Eye comfort features. The device includes eye comfort modes that reduce blue light emission, minimizing eye strain during prolonged usage, especially in low-light environments. 6. Performance. Rating is 8.5 out of 10. Processor. At the heart of the Vivo V50 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm architecture. This octa-core CPU configuration includes one Cortex-A715 core clocked at 2.63 GHz, 3 Cortex-A715 cores at 2.4 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A510 cores at 1.8 GHz, ensuring a balance between performance and energy efficiency. This configuration ensures efficient multitasking, smooth application performance, and adept handling of demanding tasks. Graphics Processing Unit (GPU). The Adreno 720 GPU complements the CPU, delivering enhanced graphics rendering for gaming and multimedia applications. Operating System. The Vivo V50 runs on FunTouch OS 15, based on the latest Android 15 platform. This combination offers a user-friendly interface with various customization options to enhance the user experience. Vivo has committed to providing 3 years of operating system updates and 4 years of security patches, ensuring the device remains up to date with the latest features and security enhancements. Additional performance features. AI enhancements. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset integrates advanced AI capabilities, enhancing various aspects of the device. Camera performance. Improved scene recognition and image processing for superior photography. Battery management. Optimized power consumption, extending battery life through intelligent resource allocation. User experience. Personalized app suggestions and adaptive system settings tailored to user habits. 7. Memory and storage. Rating is 8 out of 10. The Vivo V50 comes in 2 variants. RAM options. 8GB RAM, suitable for general users who engage in standard multitasking and media consumption. 12GB RAM, ideal for power users requiring extensive multitasking capabilities, gaming, and resource-intensive applications. Internal storage options. The device offers 3 storage capacities, 128GB. This is for users with moderate storage needs, such as essential apps, photos, and documents. 256GB accommodates an enormous collection of media files, applications, and games. 512GB caters to users requiring extensive storage for high-resolution videos, large applications, and comprehensive media libraries. Storage type. The device utilizes UFS 2.2 storage technology, which offers faster read and write speeds than traditional EMC storage. This results in quicker data access, reduced app loading times, and responsive system performance. Expandable storage. It's important to note that the Vivo V50 does not support expandable storage via microSD cards. Users should consider their storage needs when selecting the appropriate model to ensure sufficient space for their data and applications. 8. Camera system. Rating is 8.5 out of 10. Rear camera setup. The Vivo V50 is equipped with a dual-camera system on the rear, co-developed with renowned optics manufacturer Zeiss. This collaboration ensures high-quality imaging performance. The rear camera configuration includes primary sensor, a 50-megapixel sensor featuring optical image stabilization (OIS). This sensor captures sharp, detailed images, reduces blur from hand movements, and enables clear, low-light photography. Ultra-wide sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens that allows users to capture expansive scenes and group photos without compromising image quality. Front camera, the Vivo V50 offers a 50-megapixel front-facing camera for selfie enthusiasts. This high-resolution sensor ensures detailed and vibrant self-portraits, making it ideal for social media sharing and video calls. Camera additional features: AI scene recognition. The camera system utilizes artificial intelligence to automatically detect and optimize settings for various scenes, ensuring optimal image quality across different shooting environments. Night mode. Enhanced night mode capabilities allow bright and clear photos in low light conditions, leveraging advanced algorithms to reduce noise and enhance detail. Professional mode. For users seeking greater control, the professional mode offers manual adjustments for parameters such as ISO, shutter speed, white balance, and focus, catering to photography enthusiasts. Underwater camera mode. Complementing its water resistance, the Vivo V50 includes an underwater camera mode, enabling users to capture clear photos and videos while submerged. This feature is particularly beneficial for aquatic activities and underwater photography enthusiasts. Video recording. The camera system supports 4K video recording at 30 fps and 1080p at 30 fps, with gyro eyes and OIS for stabilized footage. Additional features include Zeiss optics, ring LED flash, panorama, and HDR modes, enhancing the photography experience. 9. Battery and charging. Rating is 9.5 out of 10 battery capacity. The Vivo V50 houses a substantial 6000 mAh battery, providing extended usage times suitable for heavy daily use, including streaming, gaming, and multitasking throughout the day without frequent recharging. Charging technology. The device supports 90 watts wired fast charging, enabling users to charge the device from 0% to 100% in under an hour. This feature significantly reduces downtime by rapidly replenishing battery levels, allowing users to return to their activities quickly. Battery management features. AI-powered optimization. The Vivo V50 incorporates AI-driven battery management that monitors usage patterns and optimizes power consumption, extending battery life by allocating resources efficiently. Heat dissipation design. To maintain optimal performance and safety during intensive tasks and charging, the device includes an advanced heat dissipation system that effectively manages and disperses heat. 10. Software environment. Rating is 8.5 out of 10. Operating system. The Vivo V50 operates on FunTouch OS 15, Vivo's custom user interface layered over Android 15. This combination offers a seamless and intuitive user experience, incorporating the latest Android features with Vivo's enhancements. User interface (UI) design. FunTouch OS 15 presents a clean and modern interface with customizable home screens, intuitive navigation gestures, and a cohesive design language. Users can personalize themes, icons, and layouts to suit their preferences. System optimization. The software includes AI-driven system optimizations that monitor usage patterns to allocate resources efficiently, ensuring smooth performance and prolonged device longevity. AI-powered features. AI Studio Light Portrait 2.0. This feature utilizes AI algorithms to enhance portrait photography by adjusting lighting effects, ensuring professional-grade images even in challenging lighting conditions. Circle to search. an innovative tool that allows users to draw a circle around text or images to initiate a quick search, streamlining information retrieval and enhancing productivity. AI Transcript Assist. This functionality transcribes audio recordings into text, facilitating easy documentation of meetings, lectures, or interviews. It supports multiple languages and offers editing capabilities for accuracy. Live Call Translation. Breaking language barriers. This feature provides real-time translation during voice calls, enabling seamless communication between speakers of different languages. AI Erase 2.0, an advanced photo editing tool that allows users to remove unwanted elements from images effortlessly, utilizing AI to fill in backgrounds naturally for a seamless appearance. Google Gemini integration. The Vivo V50 integrates with Google Gemini, giving users easy access to AI-driven assistance for tasks such as answering queries, setting reminders, and managing daily activities through voice commands. Security and privacy. On-screen fingerprint sensor. The device features an optical fingerprint sensor embedded within the display, offering quick and secure access while maintaining a sleek design. AI-based app protection. Leveraging AI, the Vivo V50 monitors and detects unusual app behavior, providing alerts and preventing potential security threats to safeguard user data. 11. Connectivity. Rating is 9 out of 10. Network support. The Vivo V50 supports GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G networks, ensuring fast and reliable connectivity across various network types. SIM configuration. Dual nano SIM slots allow using 2 SIM cards simultaneously. Wi-Fi. The device is equipped with Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6, supporting dual-band connectivity, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, for seamless internet access. Bluetooth. It features Bluetooth 5.4, enabling efficient and stable connections with compatible devices, such as wireless headphones, speakers, and other peripherals. NFC. The Vivo V50 includes near-field communication, NFC, capabilities, allowing quick and secure transactions, data transfers, and pairing with other NFC-enabled devices. USB. The device comes with a USB Type-C 2.0 port, supporting OTG, on-the-go, functionality for connecting external devices like flash drives and keyboards. GPS. It supports multiple satellite navigation systems, including GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, QZSS, BDS, and now IC, ensuring accurate and reliable location services. Cons. What could have been better? While the Vivo V50 excels in many areas, some shortcomings include lack of expandable storage. The absence of a micro SD card slot may be a limitation for users requiring additional storage beyond the available internal options. Number 3.5mm audio jack. The device does not include a 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be inconvenient for users with wired audio accessories. Market-dependent features. Certain features, such as NFC, may vary by region, potentially limiting functionality for some users. No wireless charging. Some competitors, like Google Pixel 7a, offer wireless charging in this price segment. No telephoto or periscope lens. The camera setup is excellent, but no dedicated zoom lens means digital zoom quality is average. No LPDDR5X RAM or UFS 4.0 storage. Uses slightly older RAM and storage technology, which may impact data transfer speeds. 4K video recording at 60 FPS is impressive, but no 8K, while some competitors offer 8K video recording. How does it compare to the competition? At 34,999 rupees, the Vivo V50 competes with OnePlus 13R, 35,999 rupees, better performance, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but lacks the durability and AI features of the Vivo V50. Google Pixel 7a, 39,999 rupees, offers better cameras and wireless charging, but slower charging and lower battery capacity. iQOO Neo 9 Pro, 37,999 rupees, superior gaming performance, but no IP69 water resistance like the Vivo V50. So, the Vivo V50 stands out in terms of durability, battery life, display quality, and AI-powered features. Final verdict: is the Vivo V50 worth the money? Yes. The Vivo V50 is a well-rounded device that delivers excellent value for money in the Rs 35,000 rupee range. If you prioritize durability, battery life, smooth display, AI-powered features, and a solid camera, then the Vivo V50 is 100% worth the price. It is one of the best rounded mid-range smartphones in 2025, offering a mix of practicality and innovation. However, you might find better alternatives if you need the absolute best performance, zoom photography, or wireless charging. White tick mark. Overall value for money rating, 8 out of 10, a strong buy for users seeking durability, battery life, AI-enhanced usability, and a high-quality display at a mid-range price. For users looking for a stylish, durable, and long-lasting smartphone with premium features, the Vivo V50 is a wise investment. Conclusion: the Vivo V50 stands out in the mid-range smartphone market with its sleek design, impressive display, and versatile camera system. With a powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, substantial RAM options, and generous internal storage capacities, the device ensures smooth operation and ample space for data. Its robust battery life and fast charging capabilities further enhance its appeal. However, the absence of expandable storage and a 3.5mm audio jack necessitates careful consideration of storage requirements at the time of purchase. So, the overall rating is 8.7 out of 10. While it faces stiff competition, the V50's balanced features and performance make it a strong contender for those seeking a premium experience without a flagship price tag. Subscribe to the Techie Haven.